trying something new. It's really kind of loud because I got my heater going just to kind of keep it warm in here while I set this up. So I got a 2007 Yukon that I am going to do Cadillac light conversion on. You see this all right? I got the plastic still on it because I don't want it to get messed up. I got to open the other one up yet, and then we're going to show taking it apart. I already got a before picture. We'll do an after picture. All right, guys. See you in a bit. All right, if you can see there, maybe if I go like that, there's a hole right here. Probably can't see it, but there's holes. So there's 2 screws, and then there's a screw up top. I don't know if there's a screw in here. I have to look. I don't think so. We got to take the other ones off there, but this should literally just, oh, yep, there it goes. Just literally pops right off. I do know that I need to get the harness, like the actual harness this plugs into, because you don't use this on the new light. You actually plug into the harness. And then I believe this just, oh, there is another screw right here, so don't rip it off. Take that screw off and clean it, which I'm going to do as soon as I'm done here. I'll clean it all off, and I'll show you once we get back after that, after I take the other side off. All right, so the lighting's not perfect. You guys have to forgive me. Let's see if we can adjust this at all. Anyways, there's grommets right here and right here. You have to replace those, which was pretty easy for me. I didn't have to work real hard to get them out. One of them came out right away, but actually the light itself, the top mounts were broken on both of them. I had to pry those out, and the grommets came with them. But you're supposed to replace the grommets. You can see right there where my finger is, and I believe right there. Those are already replaced. I did it on both sides. I wiped down everything. I sprayed a little black spray paint. I know it's kind of tacky, but I kind of chipped it a little bit on the paint when I was prying it off. So I wanted to keep it from rusting. I mean, nobody's going to see it anyways. But we're going to put the light on it. I'm going to put the lights on it and then bring it back, and I'll bring it back online when I have them up there. I'm not gonna, I got to reach down and put the wiring harness. So the wiring harness actually goes through here, and then it actually plugs in underneath on the frame. So I'm going to run that wire down below. I got to heat up. There's a little spot. I'll show you guys real quick before I let you go. That little spot in here, it's probably so dark it's hard to see, but I'm going to try to hold this up, so please forgive me. Right there where my finger is, that real kind of dark right there. Down in there is where I'm going to put my resistor. I believe that's what it is. It's got a double-sided tape, you know, sticky 3M tape. I'm going to put that in there, and that'll stick right to the metal inside there, and then we'll run the wire down below. When we come back, though, I'll have the lights up. Okay? Alright. Alright. So, this one's on. This one I'm still working on. I just plugged them in. I tested them to make sure they worked. Let's see if we can go back here. Hold on. Alright, guys. Well, my GoPro died. Hopefully I can get everything back on off of that after I charge it onto this. But as you can see, all the wiring is in here. You guys, if anybody does this, you'll want to test those grommets and see if they go on. These would not go into new grommets at all. So I ended up having to salvage the old grommets instead of throwing them away. Thank goodness I kept them. But you run the wiring down here, and as you can see, I put my little resistor or whatever that is down there. So I heated up the metal down there and then heated up the 3M tape a little bit, stuck it on there. It's good to go. So I'm going to put this on We got that one on. Once I get this one on and screwed in, then we'll do a testing of the lights. All right, see you soon. All right, sorry guys, my kids are over there playing. But anyways, so this is, I'm just gonna use the remote. I'm not even gonna turn it on or hit the brakes. I'll do that in a second though. Dang man, that looks good. I'm gonna eventually start upgrading all the other lights to LED as well. I actually wanna do this top one too. They make one that's LED all the way across. It'd be kind of cool to do, but yeah. There's the back. I took before after pictures. So that looks good. Gotta start upgrading the backlights to LED as well. Those license plate ones. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I know this wasn't super big detail, but very cool. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. Adios.